the 2010 Mazda MAZDASPEED3. This four-door, five-passenger hatchback still has less than 90,000 kilometers. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2.3-liter four-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, heated seats, front dual-zone air conditioning, rear wipers, and seat memory. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Premium sound drives 10 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Mazda also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Stop in and take a test drive.